Hello, friend. I am astrologer Kapoor from Delhi, India. Because I am going to talking about the Rahu and Ketu. Rahu and Ketu is not exist in your country, but you says North Node and South Node. and we says Rahu and Ketu. Rahu is the shadow of Saturn planet and Ketu is the shadow of Mars planet. And in Kali Yuga, it brings the sudden changing in our destiny, in our fortunes, because it affects our mind, our perception, and our choices. Rahu transit, Rahu and Ketu transit on 23rd of September 2020 until 11th of April 2022. So it always bring the Rahu always bring the sudden gains, sudden losses, sudden happiness, sudden sadness, but it give us intuition. So I'm in my next video I'm going to make prediction of 12 different signs. What is the effect of these two planets on different signs? But now I will explain you how you feel you are under the influence of Rahu and Ketu. Point number one, it affect our sleeps. If we are affected by these two planets, so we have a not good sound sleeps. Sleeping is broken, not so good sleeping, scary dreams are coming, and we feel restlessness. Second, you will see illness always in your home. If any one person is all right, second is become ill. If second is all right, third person ill. So it indicated also uh, Rahu and Ketu effect on you. Number three, it affect your electronics like your fridge, AC, mobile, laptop, electronic, or television is defected. So it is also effect of the Rahu. So it is very important for you. Either you should repair or either you should throw it. Number three, it affect our mind and heart, mind and stomachs. Because the Rahu always bring the anxiety in our minds, doubts in our minds, lack of confidence. It's also affect our stomachs. And how much you are doing good for others, but you never get the reward from that side. You will see always your friends making a story in back of you, and you listen from third person, they are saying like this. And you will see when you are affected by Rahu and Ketu, you will see you go in wrong societies. Like you will see in your friend circle, addictive people are coming, gambler people are coming, drunkard people are coming, manipulator people are coming. So you should always make distance from these persons. Otherwise, they can harm you. So be precautious from this type of person. And now I tell you, especially for during what you have to do. Number one, don't tell to anybody what are you going to do or about your future planning. If you will tell someone, you will find some delay and obstacle in your way. So better for you, don't say before. Number two, don't share your secret with everybody. Otherwise, anybody knows your secret, knows your weakness, take the benefit of these things. Number four, if there is any electronic commodities not working in your house, or either that is affected, either you should repair or either you should sold out. You should always take shower with sandal soap, and you should always wear the silver bracelet or silver chain in your neck, and you should always chanting the mantras Om Namah Shivaya. That is very important for you. So Rahu always making a sudden changing and changes in business. When Rahu and Ketu comes, it make the changes, change of house, change of area, change of locality, change of city, and change of country. And if also indicated change of jobs, change of profession, change of careers, and it's also, and this period you should be very precautious. Maybe you will be somebody will try to impose a wrong allegation impose on you. So this period is very important for you. So friends, please like, subscribe, and share my videos, because in my next video I'm coming to make prediction about two signs, Aries and Taurus. There are 12 signs, so I'm coming in my next video two sign, and I will explain you what is the effect of Rahu and Ketu and other planets on these two sign, and how you take the much benefit of these times. I can recommend you the solution, I can recommend you the remedies. That's why you can take the much and more and more benefit from these solutions. So Rahu is the planet of new inventions. Rahu take the people in the side of Tantra, Mantra, Yantras, deep studies. So it is a very complicated planets, but it depends upon different bodies' horoscopes. So if you believe in Indian astrology, you should make the horoscope according to date of birth, time of birth, place of birth, and your country. Because our Indian astrology based on moon planet, and your Western astrology based on sun planet. Sun transit one house after 1 month, and moon transit one house after 2 days and 6 hours. Even our every ascendant changed after 2 hours and 15 minutes. Because our Indian astrology is more accurate and more precise. And you will, according to Indian astrology, you will find accurate prediction as well as accurate solution. And you will get the results. So, friends, thank you very much. In next video, we will meet. So please like my channel, subscribe my channel, and share my channel. Thank you very much.